Welcome back everyone. We have come down to Fingal. Going to spend the morning down here and just chill, catch some decent fish and have a coffee and a nice bicky. Cole's getting the jug out. We've got a new pouch to put our jet foil thing in. Little canister holder. Check these out, aren't they cute? And this pouch here that I got from Temu is just the right size to fit our little boiler in, with one canister that sits on top. Got another one in here too. Look pretty snazzy. Hey mate.
Yeah.
It's a nice day. We've got the incoming tide here. Beautiful. Good job. Holy crap. Go Miller.
Quick Miller, don't play around with the
I don't know who to
There we
film.
go.
Okay, you got a little one. Oh, you got a nice one, Miller.
That's a better one.
Bring
Up
him
and
up.
over.
It's heavy.
Hey, that's a good one.
Swing him around. There we go.
Look at that.
Very nice. That's good. You got the rod?
I got
There you go.
Woo!
That's a good fish.
Excellent. Nice one, Miller.
Hold down.
See, we can get the
Yeah,
picture. Okay,
we'll
once
get
going back, it needs to grow.
yeah, we'll get a picture with that one, Miller.
I got a big.
How big's
See
your
ya.
fish, Miller? Keep still.
There we go. Ooh, he's 31.
Nice.
That's a decent fish.
What is it?
31.
Ooh.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big fish.
Alright, we'll take him home.
Okay, over there.
Right, coffees are done. And we're going to have a melting moment.
With prawn fingers.
It'll go well with the icing sugar. There you go.
Is there any other biscuits?
No, do you want one of these? Ah. Hey, Nabby.
That's it, pumping wine.
Oh.
There we go. Nice one.
Good job.
Yeah.
Got to beat Miller's one though.
Mine's massive. My first try.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Very tiny.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Bait them up again. Keep throwing to that.
Oh, see it jump up to
Yeah.
catch it? So there's some over the other side for the other birdie.
Look at this one up here.
It's trying to hoard it all.
Yeah.
I like that one.
having a bite to eat. Brought along some chips and we're just deep frying them. Have them on bread and sauce. Still waiting for some more fish. Is it on?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh,
Saw it out the corner of my eye while cooking.
where'd it go? That big log's in the way.
Oh no.
Gone under the log. Oh, there we go. Oh,
Come off.
broke.
Oh, bugger.
Yeah, it was underneath the log.
Oh. Rod's going off again. Anything on?
Don't came off.
Ah,
And we lost one.
broke you off.
Broke off again.
Holy.
There should be some fish here.
Yes. So we've just moved spots up the other end of Chinderah. Past the tavern. See if I can get it through these trees, eh?
Yeah.
I haven't caught a fish yet. There we go.
Oh,
Holy!
I just grabbed it.
How big is this thing? Oh, that's not bad.
Different with a lot of rod though.
Yeah.
Using the heavy gearing outside. Good.
Yeah.
First one for him.
Yep. Really? Holy heck. Got one. Oh, he's up around here. Not massive. That's my first fish today. There you go. Oh yes. Oh yeah? Yep. Mhm.
Yeah, I know, just throw it in. So much fun on this like tack away.
Yeah,
Really good. Okay.
that's a bit better again. Ooh. It's coming my way too.
Still. Come on. These hooks go in, they don't want to come out, Murray. Here we go.
Yeah, cool.
Oh,
Yeah, that's where I thought I saw it come from.
yeah. Yeah. Ooh, fish on.
Holy. I need to be in your spot.
Oh, there's no room.
I know.
You're just hanging down here.
Yeah. Another tar one.
Come on, keep still.
Oh.
South Pelican.
I was getting a few bites. Oh, oh, get a bite, get a bite. Oh, yeah, am I on? I'm on. Ah, phone. Righto. Come on, Nebby, I'm on.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the little thing coming up here. Holy. That's what I get.
Oh nice.
Ooh. There you go. Whatever.
Hey.
Get out of the line. Oh, you did have one on.
Yeah.
That's tiny.
Okay.
That's a little one.
Go. Here we go. Oh, another little one. A little bit bigger than Nate's one.
Oh yeah. Yep, one more go, then we're done. Slowing down now.
Done. It's been
Yep.
good.
Yeah. Alright, that's it from us. Pretty chilled session. Beautiful winter's day here. It feels like summer already. And one fish to go home. So that's not too bad. I think I'll be eating that one all by myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, everyone. I much appreciate it. And we will see you in our next vid. Happy fishing all.